Hey friends, good to see you today. I sent a reader's workshop video earlier in the week, and this video right here is for writing. We're not really going to do writer's workshop this week. We're going to do a lesson about capital and lowercase letters. This site is called BrainPop Junior, and this is a really cool site. It has a lot to teach you. Miss Lauren and Miss Kendra might also use it. So instead of writer's workshop, we're going to watch a BrainPop video on capital and lowercase letters, and then you will get your writing assignment. Let's take a look at the video.
Mary Moby makes marvelous melodies on Monday. Oh, there's something wrong with my tongue twister. The sentence doesn't look right. You're right, Moby. All the words in the sentence are lowercase. I forgot to use capital letters.
I want you guys to take a look at this sentence. It says, Mary Moby makes marvelous melodies on Monday. I want you guys right now to take a look and point to a word that you know must have a capital letter. Right now, I want you to say that word and then say what capital letter it needs. Is it an O? Is it an E? Is it a B? Is it an M? All right.
What are capital and lowercase letters? I know there are two ways to write letters in the alphabet. I like the lowercase letters because they don't always stay between the lines. Capital letters can look pretty different though. When you capitalize a letter, you make it uppercase. Some letters that are curvy when they are lowercase become straight when they're capitalized. Good question, Moby. How do you use capital and lowercase letters in sentences? I know the first word of a sentence is always capitalized.
Okay, so that's a really good question. How do you use capital and lowercase letters in sentences? Now, we all know that the first letter of a sentence is always capital. But what else do you know about capital letters? There's a sight word that you know that is always capital. What sight word is that? The sight word I is always capital, no matter what. The first letter of a sentence, and then there are some other times where even if it's in the middle of a sentence, we must use a capital.
Happy music makes my toes tap. When I type, I hold down the shift button and the letter at the same time to make it capital letter. All types of sentences start with a capital letter. A capital letter makes the beginning of each sentence clear to the reader. Remember, Moby? Always capitalize names. They're proper nouns. But what are proper nouns? Vote John Randall for mayor. See, the names of people are always capitalized.
Kiss your brain if you knew that names are always capitalized. We have talked about that in message time and in writing before. So if you're a name of something, remember, if you're a restaurant like McDonald's, or if it's your name like Bryn Murtha, your name, the names of something are called proper nouns. And so if you're a proper noun, you always get a capital, no matter where you are in the sentence.
I'm hungry too. You want to go to Paul's Pizza Palace? Hey, the names of places use capital letters too. And the names of things are also capitalized. I guess proper nouns are the names of people, places, and things, and they are always capitalized. I can think of a lot of proper nouns. The names of months, days, and holidays are always capitalized. And so are the names of streets, states, countries, oceans, And landmarks. What else do you capitalize? Thanks, Moby. Hey, the title of this book is capitalized.
If you look at the title of the book, it's the name of the book. So even if it's a name of a book, the name of your street, the name of yourself, the name of your family member, the name of your favorite restaurant, the name of a movie, it always gets a capital letter.
Short words in the middle of titles don't have to be capitalized, like and, for, my, in, and the. And I almost forgot, you always capitalize the word I. No, silly, the other one. I finally capitalized all the right words in my tongue twister. Try saying it out loud, Moby.
Okay, so give yourself a pat on the back if you knew that the word Monday from her message, from her tongue twister, would get a capital letter.
Always capitalize the.
Give yourself a pat on the back if you knew that Monday got a capital M or that this word Mary got a capital M. This one was a little bit tricky because I'm not sure if you guys knew that Moby was a person's name, but this is the name of Moby, so it gets a capital M as well. Okay, friends, so now it's time for your writing assignment. Up here on my screen, I have a message. I want you to pause the video right now, and I want you to fix my message. So you're going to write the message on a piece of paper. So you just need a pen or a pencil, or you could even type it on your Chromebook if that's what you're using. I want you to fix my message because I used all lowercase letters, and there's a lot of capital letters that I forgot. So I want you to pause the video now and fix the message. Okay, friends, so I'm going to read the message. It says, "Good morning, friends. Today is Thursday, April 16th, 2020. We have writing. I hope I see you all again soon. Love, Miss Bryn." Okay, so your job right now for writing this week is to fix this message and make all the capital letters that I forgot in the message. If you would like, you can take a picture and send me the message so I can check your work to make sure you're doing it correctly. Right now is the time to pause the video so that you can fix it. All right, and I hope that you pause the video. I hope you have your writing set, and I will show you the correct message. Check your work and make sure that this is what you do have. I usually do "Good morning, friends" with capital letters because that's the greeting, so y'all should remember that from our message. If you don't, that's okay because that was tricky. Definitely a capital T here because it's the first letter of the sentence. Definitely a capital W here because it's the first letter. And I hope that everyone realized that I did lowercase for the sight word I. So I hope y'all were able to recognize that you need to fix my capital I's. This is a name, and this is a name. Okay, so this T needs to be capitalized because it's the name of the day, and this is the name of the month, April, so it gets a capital A. And then down here, of course, is my name, and so I needed a capital B. All right, take pictures of your work and send it to me. It will make me happy. Bye, guys.